Hello, my friend. This is Miss B Finance One-on-One. I am super excited. Have you ever been asked by your friends, or you have your husband always arguing with you, or your wife, why do we need life insurance? Why are we even paying for this life insurance when we can use money to invest in our kids or to buy something else, when this money for life insurance is about death? Or constantly you're asking yourself, do I have enough life insurance? Me as an agent, one of the biggest questions that I've been asked this week is, Betty, do I have enough? And why do even people buy life insurance? And this is a constant argument, even in my mind, even between me and my husband. We have to figure out, how much do we need? And why are we even paying for life insurance? So this video is going to give you 4 reasons why you need life insurance, why you need to pay for it. And not only that, it's gonna tell you what exactly you need covered, so that you just don't buy 100,000 coverage. Okay, number one thing when you're looking into life insurance, and this is a formula that we always use in financial industry, is called DIE. So the first thing you want to look at is your debt. Supposedly right now, you own some people money. I'm sure if you are not around, you will want your spouse to pay off those debts. So the first thing you should always do is when you're buying life insurance is cover the amount of debt you are in. You may not think much about it, but guess what? If you die, debt don't go away. They get passed on to your family, or even somebody can sue your estate for the debt. So number one thing is look at debt. So if you're 50,000 in debt, you want to put it into buying your life insurance so that people can pay off that debt. The second part, when you're looking into buying life insurance or what you're paying for, is your income. Remember, life insurance enables you to replace your income. It enables you, a family, not to be financially devastated when you're not around. So one of the things that I tell my client is always ensure you have 10 years of your income covered, especially when you have little babies still running around. I'm sure now that you're living, they depend on that salary. And that's why you have to have 10 years. The minimum is 10 years covered in your life insurance. What do I mean? If you make 50,000 a year, you need $500,000 covered in life insurance. The third part, when you're looking into life insurance, that you really need is your mortgage. Most people don't think about it, but let me tell you, is your family gonna move out of streets? You don't want that. So one of the things I always tell my husband is, we still have 200,000 in mortgage. Please, let's cover it in our life insurance so that if you are not around, that mortgage can be paid off, because I don't want to live on the street. I want to keep the family home. So when I pay for my life insurance, I don't just look at it as life insurance. I look at it as my mortgage, my income, and my debt. And the third part, especially for those people who have young kids, is the kids' education. Now, this is very important. One of the biggest expense you're gonna occur as a parent is college. So one of the things I always tell my client is, make sure you can cooperate college. If it is 100,000 or 50,000 for each kid, put it into your life insurance. While you're busy building your wealth, there is never certainty on when you're gonna die. There's nobody who know that. There is no guarantee of tomorrow in this life. So these are some of the 4 things you need to consider. Is my life insurance gonna pay my debt? Is my life insurance gonna replace my income that my family rely on? Is my life insurance gonna pay my mortgage so that my family don't live in the street if I'm not around? And the third part is, can it make sure my kids go to college? And especially even if you're young, can it continue paying your parents the way you are taking care of them? Well, these are my tips. This is Miss B. Please, if you like this video, 2 things. Share. Second thing, go to my YouTube subscribe, Betty Achapa on YouTube. And the third thing that I want you to do is call me about mailing you. Honestly, guys, this is the secret to my financial education. Remember, education has no limitation. And until you are educated, you will never be financial free. So see you guys at the top and have a nice day. What is your number in life insurance coverage? That's the question you need to ask yourself. Do you have enough? See you guys at the top.